everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be looking at some vocabularies and phrases that will help you navigate around the city in relation to other places or other institutions. So without further ado, let's go. Where is it?
የት ነው?
In which direction is it?
በየት በኩል ነው?
Where is it located?
የት ይገኛል?
Does this way lead to?
በዚህ ያስኬዳል?
Go straight forward.
ቀጥ ብለህ ሂድ for male፣ ቀጥ ብለሽ ሂጂ for female።
Go up this way.
በዚህ ወደ ላይ ሂድ for male፣ በዚህ ወደ ላይ ሂጂ for female።
Go down this way.
በዚህ ወደ ታች ሂድ for male፣ በዚህ ወደ ታች ሂጂ for female።
This way or that way.
በዚህ በኩል or በዚያ በኩል።
There it is.
ይኸው።
Cross the bridge.
ድልድዩን ተሻገር for male፣ ድልድዩን ተሻገሪ for female።
Ask when you get there.
እዚያ ስትደርስ ጠይቅ for male፣ እዚያ ስትደርሺ ጠይቂ for female።
ጤና ይስጥልኝ።
ጤና ይስጥልኝ።
ትምህርት ቤቱ የት ነው?
ከፖሊስ ጣቢያው በስተቀኝ ነው።
እሺ፣ አመሰግናለሁ። Where is it located?
የት ይገኛል?
Go straight forward, masculine.
ቀጥ ብለህ ሂድ።
This way or that way?
በዚህ በኩል or በዚያ በኩል።
Cross the bridge, masculine.
ድልድዩን ተሻገር።
In Ethiopia, the roads might be a bit complicated. Although you can use a digital way or you could use Google Maps, but it's more preferable to ask a passerby. Asking passerbys is very normal. They will help you out by telling you directions or leading you the way. You are doing an amazing job. Use the vocabularies we learned today to navigate your way around and ask passerbys where to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, goodbye.